Hi, this is Andy Waring, the beginner's friend. And to be honest, this is a video that I hadn't planned to record um, because I've been so focused on my own recent launch, my KISS Funnel Freedom launch. I didn't really have my eyes on what else was really going on in the affiliate marketing world. And so I hadn't spotted Kam's new Substack PLR product. And to be honest, I'm a little bit annoyed with him because every time as you're probably aware, I have moved away from affiliate promotions, more or less. But every now and again, if I see something that I like, then obviously I'm going to make you aware of it. And the thing is that Kam keeps putting out material that I like and that I feel I have to promote. So as much as I'm trying to wean off the affiliate marketing, there's just some stuff, and Kam tends to be someone who produces that stuff that I just have to let you know about. So anyway, enough of that. Let's quickly just go through what it is, why I like it. I'm not going to pretend this is a review as such, because the fact that I'm promoting it or letting you know in the first place gives you an idea of what I think about it. So that said, what are we talking about? It's, as I mentioned before, it's a PLR product. I'm not sure that Kam has produced a video course before that as PLR. If he has, then my apologies to him, but it's something that is relatively unique. The Substack, if you've not come across that before, it was something that Kam actually wrote about in his last product. It's a fantastic free tool which I signed up to immediately, which allows you to basically get newsletters out there, to sell subscriptions, etc., etc. If you don't know about it, it's a good thing to investigate, to research. As I say, it's a free tool, so you can sign up. Just Google Substack and you'll get into it. Preferably get Kam's previous product. So that said, what he's produced here is sort of the step on from what he did before with his awareness product of the tool. What he's done here is created 23 step-by-step instructional videos to show people how to use the particular tool. But you're not just getting it for the information, which, in itself is a great resource. You're actually getting PLR to that. So good PLR, as I've said before, is as rare as hen's teeth. It really is. And so when I see some good PLR, I like to let other people know, because PLR can be a great shortcut in the journey to success online. But, and it is a big but, there is so much crap out there in terms of PLR material that most of it you really ought to ignore. But as I say, when the good stuff comes along, it's well worth investigating. So I've got the sales page here. I'm not going to go through the details, you can do that yourself. But what I did want to do is go down to exactly what you're going to get from this. So here we are. Here are the 23 video training modules that he's produced, unbranded video training modules that you can use for yourself. See, 23 of those. But if it was just that for this price of less than $13, it's a steal. But there's much more than that, as you'd expect from Kam. Firstly, you have 23 MP3 companion audios. You've got a done for you sales page. My recommendation for that, as good as the sales page is, I always believe if you've got PLR, it's worth making it unique, making it, you know, unique to you. So even though that is included and it's a fantastic resource, I would suggest that perhaps a little bit of work just to bespoke it is always a good idea. But that, you know, that's up to you. You've then got a professionally written 5-email promotional campaign so that you can, you know, actually promote this particular offer. And you have video transcriptions with PLR rights. And that opens up a whole new avenue. You know, you can be potentially using this as part of a lead magnet, perhaps something that you can offer as an additional offer. You can perhaps produce a report from that. You know, there's a whole bunch of different stuff. Once you get the creative juices flowing, that this whole package, you know, can actually create. You can start thinking memberships. You can start thinking, as I say, reports, selling the videos as your first, and then perhaps having the MP3s upsell, maybe some of the MP3s as a lead magnet. You know, there's a whole bunch of different ways you could approach this. And then on top of that, he also gives you 4 extra courses, each with PLR in themselves. I don't know these. I don't know if they're good, bad, or indifferent. I do know that they are something that Kam has created. Therefore, I would probably say that they're going to be of a good quality. So, all in all, you know, you're getting a really good package. And here we go. This is the sort of things you can do with it. Usual sort of things. They can be sold, you know, not less than $10, but why would you want to sell it for less than $10? That is. Used for personal use. As I say, I would, if nothing else, less than $13. It's worth getting just to see how you can get the best out of Substack. The ability then to actually start earning from that is almost a bonus. You can modify, change the product graphics. You can add it to a paid membership website, offered as a bonus, print and publish offline. So, you know, there's a lot of good stuff in there. And ordinarily, this is where I would, excuse me, this is where I'd stop. But I just wanted to show you the first upsell, because I think that is worth investigating as well. You know, if this is of interest, then so will the upsell be. So let's have a look at that. So here's the sales page. Again, I'm not going to go through it in detail, but I wanted to show you what you get. So what he's doing there, here is providing deeper into Substack. So, you know, it's sort of the in-depth stuff. So straight away, I'm starting to think, you know, you've got those initial 23. That could be your main product, whether you split it down into a membership or one whole product, I don't know, you know, it's up to you. But then you get this, and immediately you've got an upsell. You know, you've got a premium priced upsell. And as with before, you're getting the video, you're getting the audio, you're getting the full transcription, the cover art of the course. And here you go, you've got all 24 of the titles here to have a look at. But it doesn't stop there. He also provides some of his old stuff. So Guru in a Box, this was something I promoted and went down, you know, really, really well. 100 audio IM lessons. So that's great stuff. But included with this is the upsell for that, when that was offered way back when, that you're actually getting the video counterparts. So that was the upsell to this Guru in a Box. I think that's all for about $97. Don't quote me, I can't remember, but it was something like that. You get the transcriptions. You're getting 103 email swipes, which again was another upsell. And you get these 24 lessons with Sean Mize with PLR license. And what he's done with this, what I did like about it, this is an upsell, therefore you're paying slightly more. Let's not beat about the bush around there. However, you're looking at a huge amount of value within this, and used in the right way could be creating a lot of income. So it's actually asking for $97, which I personally think is an absolute steal for this. But what he's done is actually split that up into 2 easy payments. So it's sort of just $50, two $50 payments to make it that much easier. As I say, I recognise it's not going to be for everyone, but in terms of getting a product and an upsell with enough information there to probably make 3, 4, 5 different products, perhaps even some continuity membership type products, for the initial less than $13 and then this $97, for just over $100, you've got something that is, in my opinion, is worth many, many times that. But if you are sort of hung up on that $97, perhaps if you're just starting out and you perhaps haven't got that confidence to invest that sort of money at the moment, then I have to make you aware of the downsell. Now, Kam is an ethical marketer, therefore he's not just saying, oh well, if you don't want this, then you can get it cheaper here. What he's done is actually stripped out the bonuses, if you like, the extras, and he's just giving you the deeper into Substack video, audio, transcriptions with PLR on its own, and he's doing that for half the price of $47. So whether I personally think that full package for $97 for what you're getting, the upsell for this one, plus products he's sold before, plus the upsells for the products that he sold before, that is some huge value in that. He hasn't called it, it's not a Black Friday, Black Monday, or whatever. it's not sale information. It's not sale as such, but the value there is incredible. But I won't go on about that anymore. So as you can see, I like this. I think this is a good offer. The fact, as I said, that I'm actually telling you about it tells you how much I think there is potential-wise for your business. If you use it, if you are going to use it, this is, I guarantee, useful information. If you're not going to use it, if it's just going to sit on your hard drive, then don't invest. It's pointless. But I'm sure there are going to be people out there, you are serious about this, and therefore this is something well worth considering. So as I say, I don't want to go on any more about this. If you've got any questions, I'm always happy to answer them. As you'll know if you've sent me an email before, drop me an email, get in touch via Messenger, whatever. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. But that's it from me. Have a great day, have a great week, and hopefully be in touch soon. All the best.